So in this video we're going to be looking at turning right into a junction, so from a major to a minor road, and how we use the MSM procedure on approach to decide where we need to be and if we stop in. Things to consider is any vehicles coming towards you. Are they going to make you stop in the middle of the road? Is your position going to be good? Are you causing obstruction? Is there anything inside the junction which is going to be causing you obstruction? So there's a lot of things you need to factor in when turning into a junction. So I'm going to move away from here and I'm going to be taking the second right turn in. So I'm going to move away. So the second right turn is coming up. So I'm going to check my rear and my right mirrors. I'm going to change my position first. So I'm right tight to where the white line should be, and then a signal about 2 to 3 houses away. I'm going to slow it down gently, so I'm just coming off the gas pedal. So it gives me time to look into the junction. It's safe to go. And when we turn, we line up our right door mirror with the centre of the road we're turning into. So that gives us plenty of time to actually turn. If you can't turn, your mirror doesn't want to be going over that turn point, because if it goes over it, then you're going to swan neck as you turn in. So I'm going to skip a little bit of video here. So the next right turn is coming up, and hopefully there's going to be a bit of traffic coming towards us this time. This is a bit of a busier road, so we're going to be taking the next right. I've got a vehicle in front of me this time as well, so I've also got to consider that vehicle. There's nothing behind me at the moment, nothing coming up the right hand side of me, but I've got to consider that the vehicle in front might be turning and it might be slowing down to let vehicles out, or even wait for oncoming vehicles. So rear and right mirrors, I got a right position, I'm doing right signal about 2 houses away. This time there's a vehicle coming towards me. I'm going to slow down gradually. Always expect vehicles to pull out in front of you. If you're slowing down, they might see that as an opportunity. So something to be aware of. These are real life videos. I'm not trying to stage anything, so these things are happening as we speak. I'm going to take the next right, so mirrors and signals. There's a vehicle coming towards me again. This time I'm going to put it into first gear, because I've got to think of the lady on the other side of the road who may want to cross. She's not crossing, so now I can turn in. But if she was going to cross, I have to wait out on the main road for her to make sure that she's safely across the road before I turn into that junction. So hopefully this has helped you understand what to look for with turning right into a junction from a major to a minor. And if it does, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.